So guys, in this tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to create dashed lines and shape in PixelLab using just your smartphone. If you're interested in learning this, do well to watch the tutorial video to the end. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. First thing first, click on this center icon, click on shapes. Okay, now reduce the opacity, go to stroke width, increase it to 4. Beautiful. Then increase it. That's okay. And the next thing you need to do is to go to your A icon, click on test, click on edit, remove this. Now click on this icon, this 1 2 3 icon. If you're using an Android phone, you'll find it there. Then also click on this icon again. Okay, now you will find this symbol, this particular symbol here. Okay, now tap on it. Yes, tap as many times as possible. Okay, I think this number is more than enough. Then go to spacing, increase it. Okay, reduce it. Okay, increase it. Okay, this is okay. Okay, beautiful. Then place it here, copy it, rotate it, and place it here. Okay, copy it again, place it here. Okay, make sure it is properly positioned. Make sure you place it well. Okay, now copy it again, rotate it, then place it here. Okay, now the next thing is for you to click on this icon at the right top corner of your phone, then highlight the shapes. Yes, merge them. Beautiful. Now when you are done, go to erase color, enable it. Hope you can see. Okay, now we've removed it. This is how it looks like. When doing yours, take your time to do it. So this is the first one. Close the layer. Okay, so guys, let's work on the next shape, which is circle. Reduce the opacity, then increase the stroke width to 4. Increase it a little. Beautiful. And you know the next thing to do, go to your A icon, click on test, click on edit, click on this icon, click on this other icon, then tap this. Tap as many times as possible. Okay, okay, okay. I think this is more than enough. Then place it here. Go to curve, increase it. Beautiful. Then go to spacing. Okay, so place it here. This is good. This is good. Then click on copy, then go to rotate. Make sure you rotate it, then place it here. Yes, make sure it is properly positioned. Okay, and click on this, click on this. Let's merge all together. Beautiful. Now go to erase color, enable it. Hope you can see this is beautiful. So increase the level of tolerance so that we can get rid of the white color, traces of the white color. This is perfect. Now close this layer. Now let's do one last one. 2 shapes, then reduce it. Make sure you reduce it. This time around, if you want to create a straight dash line, this is how to create it. Now reduce the opacity, increase the stroke width to 3. Okay, 3 is okay. Let's see, this is beautiful. Now go to your A icon, test, edit. You know how we've been doing it. So add this symbol. Okay, then place it here. Okay, I think we need to add more, so go to edit, let's add more. Okay, this is okay. Now go to spacing, increase it. Okay, then make sure it is well positioned. Click on your good icon, and the next thing we need to do is for us to do or to merge it. So merge both of them. Beautiful. And the last thing you need to do is to erase the color. Enable it. Increase the level of tolerance so we can get rid of the white color entirely. Beautiful. Mind you, you can give the shapes any color depending on the design you are working on. Okay, any color you choose to give to the shape, just go ahead and give it that color. Okay, so guys, I believe that you've learned how to create dash lines and shapes in PixelLab. If you found this video helpful, do well to leave a like, drop a comment, also share the video. If you are yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Do well to watch the next video that will appear on your screen right now. Thank you.